We arrived at Thanima Farm, oh, laughing loud and living it now. A usual day, what a memory. Our students shining happily on the giant swing, flying high in the air. 360